It's a great example of the growth we've been seeing lately in the auto industry. Supplier Aisin moving into a new headquarters. Their sales hit 2.1 billion in North America last year, and they need more space. This is their third headquarters since they arrived in the area in the 80s. Now, they didn't move far, practically across the street, from Plymouth Township to Northville Township. This new building, not far from 5 Mile and Beck in Northville Township, allows Aisin to do more in the way of sales and marketing and do more in the way of research. And yes, it does allow them to expand their workforce.
Over the next few years, we're going to try to hire about 50 more people into this facility, both in engineering and in sales. So this is a good spot for us to be as far as attracting the right people.
Aisin has 80,000 employees globally, 8,000 at 28 sites in the U.S. It's the fifth largest supplier globally, and they make a lot of different parts.
Well, Jeff, we call this our demo car, and it was primarily built for auto show displays around the world.
Nobody will forget how the auto industry bottomed out in 2009, and Aisin's biggest customer, Toyota, had its issues with natural disasters a few years later.
So for the last 3 or 4 years, we've been rebuilding that base, and now we're stronger than ever. Our sales have set records the last 2 years. So overall, the auto industry is looking strong, and of course, we're looking strong.
One of the big issues for suppliers these days is actually managing growth to make sure they grow at the right pace. Koenig says he thinks they've got that down pat and doesn't think they're expanding too fast, but they definitely want to expand enough to meet the market demand. In Northville Township, I'm Auto Beat reporter Jeff Gilbert.